spokesperson, Noy, what are you bringing as your greatest strength to the presidency? And on the other side, what do you think is your greatest weakness that you will have to work on or learn right now?
Yung medyo mahirap po kasing i-define kung wala yung presence ko. In the sense that, yung sino man nagturo sa akin ng dapat, wala na sila. Kanina bang ideology sinusunod ko sa kanila? Okay. Pero pagdating nga ako punto, sabi na natin kasi pag bubuksan kita ng pintuan, kaya yun. Mananatiling mo kasi nasa iyo. So pag sasabihin nyo sa akin, i-define ko kung sino ako, kung di sila nagturo sa akin, parang mahirap po yata sa akin. Can I just say, kunyari hindi sila magulang ko, pero naniwala ko sa pinaglaban na. So ganun po siguro gagawin ko dito sa akin. Yung trabaho ko sa Kongreso, trabaho ko sa Senado. For instance, I guess it's always a question of choices. Pwede naman ako sumali mo sa sistema. Kasama tayo sa lahat ng SOP. Napapayag na tayo na project na lang ang nagkakaroon ng proseso like DTE. Can I just use that as an example? Yung GMA was at that NEDA meeting, Chief Executive, Head of NEDA, says this project 5 billion lang. This project should have both components, backbone side of it. This project should not be subject to a sovereign guarantee of the DOT dapat, etc. Di ba binago nila? Di ba naging plus 35 billion and 40 billion na for code? And 35, yung sabi ni Jun Lusada, stock funds, nabubuko na. So, pag nakulo, parating kung sinusundan ko yung dalawang tao ito, sabi natin hindi ko magulang, babalik po ako sa ano. Pag talagang interesado dyan, paano ba tayo imamak personal? Meron parating tinatanggalan. Sino ang tinatanggalan? Ako, pag yung kasama ko sa education, yung bata, umapunta tayo sa sitwasyon, no? Na hindi, para masabi lang natin nabawasan ang classroom shortage, yung pinagsiksikan namin sa isang classroom, na hindi mo na mapigyan ng oras para matuto. Nagagawin mo lahat ng kakulangan mo, ipapasok sa bata mo. Hindi ako pwede sa bata mo. So, what will I be bringing to the table? I think, no, most of my opponents will be for continuing what is the status quo. They know how to work the system. They advance at this level because they work the system. Ako naman, when I got there, sabi na nga, ito system, di okay. For instance, yung Intelligence Oversight Committee that I proposed, that is the only item in the budget that is not subject to scrutiny by anybody in the House. Di ba, all bills of appropriations have to emanate in the House. Then out of over 20 agencies, alam natin, Intelligence AFP, Intelligence DND, Intelligence, bakit NBI, PNP, pero ano pa umuwi? O, ni isang piso po sa lahat ng milyon at bilyon na ginugulo natin dyan, wala po may alam. Not the Speaker, not the Chairman of the Appropriations Committee. By now, it's only the Chairman of COA who gets to see the details. Pero year in, year out, inaaprobahan niya. At paano mo sasabihin, hindi tama yung pag-google dyan, hindi mo na alam yung details. National security concerns, hindi dapat malaman ng lahat. Dahil pati yung object of the surveillance, malalaman nila. So what did I propose? A special select committee, pwede bipartisan, who will have an opportunity to scrutinize the same, then who certifies to the rest of the chamber that it was spent properly. I think that was reasonable. If they reveal details that they are subject to keeping secret, then they are made to suffer more severe penalties because they subscribe to a secondary vote. I filed that 3 times. Why did I file it 3 times in the House? Because I never got a single hearing. And bakit naman ginagawa yun? Bakit naman ito? Harap ako sa constituents ko, tama ko ba ito? Inuubos natin yung pera, hindi mo masabi sa lahat. Another thing that I want to do, everybody says infrastructure lang is a problem. I agree. The system is, pinapabayagin yan. Ako, what did I propose to change it? You will copy Korea's model. You construct a road, you also will be given the maintenance for the same, then you guarantee lifespan of whatever public infrastructure it is. Kunyari ang freight road, done properly, it should last 15 years. Pero when I got to be a congressman, there was this road, 1 year and 1 week lang yata, takpitak na. Dalawa na pipilin, 1 year lang. Makawa rin Diyos, dahil ko sa Congress, last term, medyo hindi nakagusto na gusto. File sa Senado, mas kakayanin natin. Hindi na pinigyan ng hearing dito. So, ewan ko, kahinangan po yun. O tama talaga napakaraming vested interest na hinahabol natin. But as president, yung I will not, again, tolerate all of these things. No? I assume I will have a lot more allies if I become president who will push this agenda forward and make it local. go back. In one debate, one of my opponents says, well, one of his subalterns, di ba rin, tinanong sa akin, hindi ako mag-raise ng taxes. Ano raw gagastusin ko? So I explained, yung morality of the issue. Yung morality ako ulit kay President, gusto pang magdagda. Ano ba yung dagdag? Dadagdagan mo, tax mo, text. Yung mga nag-uusap ng OFW, text na lang ng ginagawa. Napahirapan mo pa. What does that show? Tignan mo ng konti yung sinasabi, ngayon pa lang, pinaplano nila magtaas ng buwis. Yung ba ganito? So sa akin, bago tayo magtataas ng buwis, tingnan muna natin, pwede ba natin i-balance yung budget? Pwede ba natin i-reduce yung deficit? Kung sisinusoy natin yung pag-aabulas pa, kung habulin natin yung tax rate. At sa kwentahan po namin, at least 150 billion by just increasing the efficiency rate by 3%, 2 to 3%. O ano ba yung deficit sa dyan? 300 last year, another 300 this year. Kagad kalahati ng deficit without raising taxes natin. So, ulit, no? Yung another instance, one of my opponents in the debate said, we were asked what will you do with the issues, how the Mrs. Arroyo. I said, I want motion for all of it. But at the same time, it was my father who taught me. No, the true test of a democracy is your ability to defend the rights, especially of your enemies. Not your friends, but yung enemy, may hirap. Pero pag pinabayaan mo may maapi, you're just setting the tone para lahat maapi. Kasi na-subscribe nila. So, mag-aaroon ng investigations, by the appropriate bodies like the Ombudsman, the DOJ, etc. And then, let it fall where it will fall. But I will make it clear that I'm interested and I will push for closure of all while protecting the rights. In contrast, one of my opponent's first statement was, I will not lift a finger to defend them. Kaya nag-curious na ako po doon. Dahil kami lahat to, at siya in particular, kasama ko po sa ticket ng gender position. At sino ba in-oppose na, hindi pala ang ginagawa yun. But the first thing that comes to his mind is the need to defend. Parang strange siya. Anyway, I hope in the coming days we will make that much clearer to the electorate. Na kung ano yung differentiation natin doon. Maglalaban, para talaga klaro po ang choice. Tao magsasabi yun. Sino ba gusto nyo? Ano ba ang direction gusto nyo? Kami naman rin present. Sorry. Weaknesses. Matagal na po ako yung physical fitness issue. Baka dapat pasukan ko yun. Bibigyan ng po lang ng oras. Palagay ko, mas mapapasukan ko yan. Everybody, of course, as you know, will want 5 minutes each. And 24 hours lang halos sa kanila. They're have 20 hours. Kulang pa rin mga physical fitness. Yung faith I mentioned ko, I really want to get to the level of my mother. When she was sick, yung suffering that she was para mag-offer up to God. Talagang tanggap. Yung peace, when she found out, for instance, that she had cancer, she didn't break down. She didn't go to the YBY stage. Never in my presence. And most of my siblings, I will also say the same. If not all of us. Yung level of faith na gano'n, sana, maabot ko. You know, when I was 12, I was in my formative years, bumalik na yung po namin. Doon kami napunta ng Boston, kami na-excite. Kaya taas pa sa bakit kami pinapahirapan kung nasa tama ang ginagawa namin. Of course, now, I guess that was all part of the plan to prepare you for the responsibilities that you will go on to accept. But I have not yet reached the level of faith that my father had.